Hi everyone. You may have heard of the six thinking hats, a framework to help you analyze any decision from different perspectives, gathering more data and information for you to make informed decisions. The concept is simple. There are six different hats. Each represents a different point of view given a situation. Yellow for positivity, green for creativity, red for emotions, white for data and rationality, black for negativity and caution, while blue is for process and control. Given any situation, you can always use this framework to analyze whatever decision at hand, and you are likely to get more information to make better decisions. Now, what if I tell you there is a way for you to automate this process? That is what you can do by leveraging the multi-agent assembly feature on MindPal. This feature is essentially like a way for you to build multi-step workflow like this, where you can ask AI to perform a specific step, and these AI agents can collaborate with each other to give you a final result for the task at hand. So for the six thinking analysis, the trigger input to kickstart this workflow would be the idea description, or put it in any way you would like. Maybe it's a problem or a decision you have to make. And then when the idea description is available, 6 different steps will be executed, from white hat, red hat to other hats, as we have seen from the previous slide. Now, for each of these hats, we will give it the idea description, which is the trigger input in this case, so that it will have the context it needs to perform the task at hand. And also, each of the steps here is also be assigned to an agent that has been given the background relevant to the task at hand, so that it would know what to do. Feel free to add more requirements or expectations to the background of this agent if you want. Okay, so that's essentially the workflow, and by the end of the workflow, the blue hat thinking, we may ask it to summarize all the insights gathered from the previous hats and synthesize the insights for you. So for this specific step, we will also need to add the output of other steps, by typing this simple like this, so that it will have the information it needs. Okay, so that's it. Now we can start a new run and see how it performs. Let's give an idea. Maybe should I start a startup? Okay, looks good. Let's start this run and see how it works. It starts with white hat thinking and analyze a startup, the idea of starting a startup from facts, market trends, success rates, things like that. With red hat, it is in emotions. Then black hat is about cautiousness and all the risks drawbacks and challenges we may face when starting a startup. And then the yellow hat is for the benefits and opportunities we may have. And next is the green hat, which is for creativity, creative solutions and alternatives for starting a startup. And then the blue hat, the last step in this workflow, will synthesize the insights to reach a balanced conclusion on the idea of starting a startup. As you can see, it has access to all the output from the previous hats, and this is his final conclusion. So that's it. As you can see, within just maybe 2 minutes, I have already had a comprehensive full-scale 6-hat thinking analysis. I will still be the one to make the final decision, right? But with this assembly I get even more information and data and more objective perspectives for my situation. This is like a thinking co-pilot. So I encourage you all to go to brain.mypal space and try building a similar assembly like this, and let me know what you think. So hope you find today's tutorial helpful, and I will see you in my next videos.